Hey everyone, Bryan here from South Harlem Library. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime with our take and make kit here. So first we have is our Tide, which comes in a small container here. We have our Stiff-Flow, which will be our active ingredient to help put the slime together. We have 2 cups of glue. So here is 1 cup. And here is the 2nd cup. And then we also have a big cup here to put everything in. And then, last but not least, the main thing we need is the stick. Okay, so we'll put this bag over here. We'll have our ingredients here. We'll have our cup here. So, first things first is we'll need to put the glue in. So, we'll start by opening up the glue carefully. And then we will pour the glue in. Make sure we get a lot of it in there, as much as we can. And then we'll place that there. And then we'll take another set of glue. And then we'll pour that in there. Like so. Make sure we get as much as we can. Alright. It's okay to get messy with the glue. Next, we'll take our Tide, and then we will pour the Tide in here. Alright, and then from there, we'll put that there. We'll take our stick, mix it up. Make sure it's nice and mixed in there. Like so, so it's a nice color, it's all even. It's with the glue there. And then we'll put that in there. And then we'll take our Stiff-Flow. Make sure that we don't waste any. We'll just pour a little bit in there. And then we'll mix it up. And it starts to form into slime. You don't want to put too much, otherwise it's going to get too soggy. And you can see it starts to become slime. So you just want to just keep stirring it up. Make sure when you touch it, it's not slimy, but you want it to be nice and firm. So we'll just add a little bit more Stiff-Flow, and then we will keep on stirring. We'll stir it up. Make sure we get it all dissolved together. We'll touch it again to make sure it's not so much sticky anymore. So that's a good sign. And it really smells really good. So we'll see if we can grab it here and kind of play with it. So let's see if we can do that. Now I know it's got to harden up a little bit. Because it's all got to mix. So we just got to kind of play with it a little bit. Oh, see, it got too soggy on me here. So now I just got to kind of play with it. It's going to be a little messy, but now I can take it out the cup and just mold with it here. It's going to be very messy, but it'll form slime. I just got to keep playing with it here. And so as I'm forming it, it's slowly but surely coming together. The key is that you don't want to pour too much Tide in there. You don't want to pour too much to flow. I mean, you gotta let the glue do its magic. And so, otherwise, it'll end up breaking apart like how it is now. And then you'll have to do some repairing on it. But eventually, it will form. You know, after you've kind of got it together here. So I'm just trying to piece it all together here, foam it up into slime. It's getting a little messy on me, but that's what slime is for, to get messy. So it's forming. It's got to kind of make it into slime. So as you can see, it's starting to become together. So in case it does become like this in the cup, just take it out, keep it together, and just keep on forming it. And just play with the slime. And then eventually it will dry, and it will become slime, like so. And so, as I continue to keep molding with it, it will eventually form all together, and it smells good. And there we have it. We have our slime. We are good to go. Thank you all for watching, and tune in next time.